welcome, and today I'm going to show you how to do a manual entry on the new style Digitac. It doesn't take very long. A lot of people get confused, but it is fairly simple. So you first of all put your driver card chip side up, or if you like picture side down, into card slot number 1. It will feed itself in. You'll get the welcome sign, the last withdrawal sign, time, yes. So everything's going to be using the OK up and down arrows. So manual entry, yes. Notice what mode is flashing, and this one it's brake. Now, because I'm doing a manual entry, I need to go back to the 31st, and that time is when I took my card out. However, it wasn't, just trying to find out where things are, it wasn't the time I finished, so I've got to change that mode setting to work. I've got to change the day and the month, so just by pressing OK, you have to do the months first to bring it down, and that takes you to the last time, look, the last month. So yes, I'm okaying everything, and it wasn't 26 minutes past, it was in fact 2:30. So okay it. Now that brings me to my rest time. I've had 4 days off, so that's okay. Come across 5th. Yeah, just keep pressing OK till you get to the time. Now my start time this morning was 04:15, so I just use the down arrows to 04:15. OK that, yes. Now change the mode by using the up arrow to work time. So that says that I started at 04:15, yes, and it's 04:23 now, and click OK. Beginning the country is the UK, obviously that could be wherever you are, and you need to scroll up and down to find them. Okay. Now at this point, if you're not happy about it, you can always shuffle back. Yes, I'm going to confirm the entry, yes, and there you go. Now you must wait till that is now filled up, which it has done, and the vehicle is able to be moved now. However, you have to do your checks, so it's 15 minutes. I tend to do 20 or more. Okay, so that's it, manual entry on the new style digital tachographs, but not the Stone Ridge ones. Thanks for watching, catch you again later.